On the financial news from the past 7 days, China held a major financial conference as leaders maneuvered to get the slowing economy back on track. The National Financial Work Conference is usually held twice a decade. It followed the announcement last week of plans to issue 1 trillion yuan, $330 billion, in bonds. The government looked to counter a sharp slowdown in housing construction. China's property slump pushed the financial regulator to roll out a loan rule trick to help grease the economy. NAFER Director Li Yun's stressed serving the real economy was the principal tenet of China's financial sector. Financials led a slide in Indian shares while Reliance curbed losses. The NSE Nifty 50 index was down 0.23% at 19,003.95 as of 10:17 a.m. IST. The S&P BSE Sensex fell 0.23% to 63,637.75. 10 of the 13 sectoral indexes declined. The Israel-Hamas war affected the financial outlooks of large companies. More than 7,000 people were killed in Gaza, according to Palestinian health officials, while over 1,400 died in Israel per the Israeli Defense Forces. Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services shares slumped 14.40% on weak Q2 FY24 performance, reaching 237.35 apiece in early trade on Monday, a level not seen since April 2023. The company reported a 48% drop in standalone net profit to 235 crore in Q2 FY24, led by provision reversals. Before proceeding with our analysis, we would like to remind you that your support is very important to us. If you enjoy this video and find our content helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This helps us grow and provide you with even more quality content. Now, let's get back to the news on the financial markets and the latest updates. It may take $10 million to achieve financial freedom, according to Earn Your Leisure hosts Rashad Bilal and Troy Millings. They created the podcast nearly 5 years ago to spread financial literacy. The RBNZ flagged risk to financial stability from rising interest rates. The Reserve Bank released its full 6-monthly financial stability report last Wednesday. South Africa's financial conditions remain dire, with debt of 45 trillion rand, about $2.39 trillion, too high for the finance minister. Interest payments increased markedly by 24.6% year-on-year to 44.7 billion rand in Q1 2023-24. Indonesia's financial sector was in good condition and could withstand high U.S. rates, said the regulator. Ample liquidity and a well-managed risk profile showed stability. Last week, the rupiah hit its lowest level since 2020. AAVAS Financiers' Q2 results were in line. Lower margin was a dampener, for systematics. Q2 FY24 net interest income was marginally lower than expected at 2.2 billion rupees. However, with higher other income and lower OPEX, operating profit and profit after tax were in line at 1.6 billion rupees. News removed due to repetition. China's property slump pushed the financial regulator to roll out a loan rule to help the economy. Serving the real economy was the principal tenet, said the NAFER director. RBNZ flagged risks from rising interest rates and released its financial stability report last week. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for watching Market Briefing, market analysis and financial news. If you enjoyed our insights and found the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future analyses. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you soon with more interesting news. Remember, the information in this video is purely informational and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.